Adding dependencies in Microsoft Project helps to define the relationships between tasks, ensuring that tasks are completed in the correct order. Here's how to do it. Open your project, launch Microsoft Project. Open Microsoft Project and load your project file or create a new project. Access the Gantt chart view. Select the Gantt chart. Go to the View tab and choose Gantt chart from the Task View section. This view allows you to see your tasks and their dependencies. Define task dependencies. Select tasks. Click on the first task you want to link, then hold down the Control key and select the second task that depends on the first. Link tasks. With both tasks selected, click on the Task tab. Then choose Link the selected tasks from the Schedule group. Alternatively, you can click the Link Tasks button on the toolbar. Adjust dependency types. View dependencies. Dependencies will appear as arrows connecting tasks in the Gantt chart. To adjust the type of dependency, double-click the link or go to Task, Information, Predecessors tab. Choose Dependency Type. In the Predecessors tab, select the type of dependency from Finish to Start, Start to Start, Finish to Finish, or Start to Finish. Enter any lag or lead time if needed. Save your project. Save changes. Click File, Save to ensure your dependencies and project updates are saved.